In November of 2014, the Reverend Jonas Allooloo of the Diocese of the Arctic was in Ottawa for their synod. Reverend Jonas visited Christ Church Bells Corners in Nepean, a parish that is known for its commitment to outreach and support of the Anglican Church's ministry in the north. Reverend Jonas spoke to the congregation about the challenges and opportunities of ministry in the Council of the North and thanked parishioners for their ongoing prayerful and financial support. After the service, there was a potluck lunch and a question and answer session followed. People had a chance to ask Reverend Jonas about his diocese and life in Iqaluit. Parishioners spoke about Christ Church's history of outreach and how this important ministry has shaped the congregation and helped to define their roles as Anglicans and as Christians.
Our parish has a history of donating, tithing. So 10% of our general funds go to outreach. And we try to have local, like Ottawa area, national, which is the Council of the North, and overseas.
And I think within this parish, the Council of the North was one of our key partners that we felt we wanted to be in relationship with and reach out to. And so we've, over a number of years, and I don't know how many, we've been able to provide support financially. I think we're blessed today to have Dean Jonas here to hear more about the Council of the North and what he actually does there and bring the people to us. We hear about it, we can read about it, but it's nice to have the connection here.
We've had many parishioners from different parishes have been exposed to life in the north. So it's something that's very real to us. We've seen it, we've observed it. Occasionally some of us have been to church services up there. Yes, and it resonates with many of the parishes, and as I say, we feel it's our responsibility to help the Northern Anglican communities.
A lot of the kids in our youth group are very socially aware, and every year actually normally they participate in the M&O decisions as to where to allocate funds that the church has raised for mission and outreach. So they're aware of the North.
The vast majority of the support for our parishes in the North comes from parishes in the South. And in some ways you can argue it's not very glamorous. You talk about, various medical missionaries and various things that go on the other part of the world. But these are Canadians, they're part of our Anglican community, and basically I don't think there's anybody else there to help them. So they need our prayers and they need our money. I'm happy to give it.
Every support that we get is very helpful to us. Coming from the outside of our diocese, it always helps. Enhances our fellowship, and it helps us to be part of the national church.
At our vestry, we'll be able to share and tell the rest of the parish a little bit more about Council of the North and the work that's being done there.